Hey class, this is Dr. Kamal, your professor for Business 250. I wanted to make a quick video to explain to you how the homework templates work and what is expected from you on week one. Basically, you have four problems that are due for week one on Sunday, and the objective of these problems is to just get you up to speed and get your feet wet with what is business analytics and how spread they are, and some just kind of get you acclimated on the world of business analytics per se. And as you watch this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting more videos about homework and maybe some videos to help you out with the explanation and so on. So I appreciate that. On problem 1.5 of week one, you are being asked to classify or decipher between different types of data and what they mean. Basically, a customer ID is considered, it can be any number, it's considered an ordinal number. A region like east, west, north is considered categorical. Payment is considered categorical. Transaction code that you're being given is ordinal. These are just examples of the ordinal, categorical, ratio, and interval. Source is a web, of course, categorical. Now you get the point. An amount, any specific amount, $20, $50, $1 million is a ratio. Like your pay, your salary is a ratio. It's considered classification is a ratio. It's not an actual ratio, but it's a classified as the type of data is ratio. A product like a DVD or a dryer or a washer is categorical, and then the time of the day is interval. Like now it's 2:30 in the morning, it's 5 p.m., etc. is considered interval. So this is how you look at these data, and this is how you should think of the solution and approach the solution. On problem 1.9, you are giving an equation. This equation is it's got a response variable. We call that a response variable. This is a relationship between the balance and other factors. The response variable, or the dependent variable, depends on other factors that create the mathematical value of balance. So you are given that balance is related to age, related to years of education, and related to household wealth. And then you have little numbers like 0.116 times this, 1,300 times that, and 367 times age. These, and 17,732. These are called coefficients. So when you build a prediction model or a regression model, which I think you'll get to learn in 350, in Business 350, but this is paving the road to get you to understand that you can create relationships between variables. One of them will be response, because it responds to the change in other variables, and so on. And then you're being asked to give some clarification on the coefficients, and then you're being asked to plug in some values. Here you can take your age, take age out and put 50 years old, 35 years old, 25 years old, years of education, 16, 13, from elementary school all the way to college or high school or middle school, and so on. And so you compensating, you take the variable out or the independent factor and put a value in, and then you finish the equation, calculate the math, and then come up with the expected balance. So that's what you are expected to do in point B. The ROI model is very much self-explanatory. It's like a puzzle. You need to just fill in the blanks. And 113 is trying to teach you how things look like in a chart or a graph, and how you can try different values and see a range of so you're given a table and a specific value for A as a factor, is 10, and you can play with this model. You can play with 5, with 3, just play with it and see what it looks like. And then you're being asked to fill in to create the chart, and the way you fill in is you go in increments of 0.25 as a value of x, and c with coefficient b, which have also different values when b is minus 25, when b is 0, when b is 0.5, and 1 and 1.5. So basically this is, you just fill in the chart, but the objective of the problem is to show you how practicing with different values produce different type of graphs, and then you're being asked what these mean and give some clarification explanation. But this is in a nutshell your homework. You need to use the homework templates. Word documents are not accepted because this is an analytics class, so you need always to use an Excel worksheet and workbook, and that is provided to you in the homework template every week. So every week you will need to just put your name and fill in the blanks and follow the formulas, etc. It makes your job a little easier, and so on and so forth. So let me know in the discussion if you have any questions. And again, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in class.